How's it going? My name is Pasha and welcome to my channel. Here on this channel, I'm sharing my journey to financial independence and my findings on ways to achieve such. And in this video, I will give you 8 most important reasons, in my opinion, on why you should drive for Uber Eats. And if you like my video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for future content. So let's get right into it. For number 1 would be being your own boss. That's right, Uber Eats is 1099, which does mean that you are an independent contractor and hence you are working for yourself. This does come with a nice level of perks. After all, you get to decide how you are getting the job done yourself within the given criteria. And the criteria itself is very simple. Get to the pickup location safely, pick up the items, and deliver them to the customer, which leads me to my next point. No micromanagement. This could be a part of being your own boss, but some companies would actually manage you every step of the process to the lowest possible detail. It is not the case here, and in my eyes, it is a great reason to drive for Uber Eats. Now, finishing up the trifecta is flexibility. Like before, this could be attributed to being your own boss, but in my eyes, it's a separate line item since you are not able to be flexible in all scenarios. Driving with Uber Eats is as simple as going online whenever you feel like it, since there is no need to set a specific schedule and just waiting for the requests. Now, you are limited to the number of requests on the platform and how busy it is. Obviously, the likelihood of being busy at 4 a.m. in the morning is low, since you won't have as many places open for business, nor would you have a large customer base due to the people sleeping. But during the regular business hours, I found it to be very consistent in my area, and it's actually quite predictable. Now, it is not uncommon to have a job that is either on your feet all day or at a desk all day. So I believe that this opportunity is well balanced since you're mixing between sitting while driving and walking while delivering. I would say that you're on your feet about 15% of the time. You are online between picking up and dropping off, and I view it as a good balance to have mixed work for your earnings, which does bring me to my next point about the earnings. A major benefit is ability to withdraw money you've earned directly to your debit card right away when you need it. And I mean right away. There is a 50-cent surcharge for doing that every single time you do it, but if you need cash right there and then, it is a good option, and it's nice to have options. If you are curious on how much you can earn on Uber Eats, I've made a couple of videos on this topic, and I will link it down below in the comment section. This is me a little bit later in the day coming from editing this video, and I have realized that I didn't mention that you can actually avoid the 50-cent withdrawal fee, and there are multiple ways you can do that. The obvious one is where you just keep it on direct deposit and it will give you all your money as a lump sum on Monday for the previous week. And the other one, Uber actually has a debit card that you can order through them, and the withdrawal to that debit card would not cost you anything. And don't quote me on this, but I believe you can do 5 withdrawals to that debit card per day, and they don't cost anything, no 50-cent fee, and you can use it as a debit card or transfer that money to your bank account, whichever one you prefer. And as a bonus perk, and I suppose this video should have been titled as 9 reasons why you should be driving for Uber Eats, but I understand that not everyone is going to get this debit card. If you get this card, there are benefits such as 10% at Advanced Auto Parts, which is what I use mainly for, parts and windshield washer fluid and things like that. And you get that through their debit card, which is a nice perk. So let's get back into this video that I've recorded originally, and sorry for interrupting. It is nice when you have options for side income. But what if I told you that driving for Uber Eats doesn't only come with the benefit of extra cash, but it has perks like discounted or free roadside assistance, car maintenance discounts, and even discounted health plans? That's right, you can get these benefits and even more by just becoming a driver with Uber Eats. And it's truly nice to have some extra perks on top of your extra earning, which is why this item makes the list. Now, being self-employed does give you a responsibility to keep track of your taxes, and in my eyes, it is also a benefit. And here's why. When you work your regular W-2 jobs, your employer would withhold your taxes automatically from your pay, and when you file your taxes, you might get something that you've overpaid back. For Uber, you don't get that taken out from your pay, and rather you need to track it yourself. Now, what I like to do is set aside a percentage of my earnings into either a saving account or an investment portfolio. This is not a financial advice, and I don't think I'm even qualified to give one, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. But if you do like to invest, or if you'd like to invest your money too and don't know where, I myself use Webull, and I've put my referral link down below where you can get free stocks valued all the way up to $1,600 by opening a new account and depositing just $100 into it. Now for the last. And it would be fair to say that nothing is perfect, and you will most likely run into some issues at some point while delivering for Uber Eats, and having good support is essential. I have ran into issues myself before, and with my experience, they have been very responsive and mostly fair in their resolutions. Now imagine that a restaurant is telling you it will take them 30 minutes to prepare the food because they forgot to make an order. Who would you call? Now in this case, Uber support has actually always had my back, and I do feel as if they are able to help me with all of the issues I've faced. And I believe that they will be able to help you as well. So 10 out of 10 to the Uber support experience. You can rest assured that the questions would be acknowledged and worked on in a timely manner. Now, with all the benefits that I've listed, do you think that this is something you might try out yourself? Leave a comment down below. And if you have any questions, you can also leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer every single question you guys ask me. Now, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content on Uber Eats and other earning opportunities. Now, I hope you're staying safe, and the information in this video helps you make the right decision.